Hey there, welcome to our deep dive into the world of credit cards. Today we're going to explore everything you need to know, from the basics to the finer details. So, let's get started, shall we? Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly is a credit card? Well, simply put, it's a small plastic card that allows you to borrow money from a bank or financial institution to make purchases. But of course, there's a bit more to it than that. Now let's move on to the middle part of our journey. This is where things get a little more interesting. We'll talk about the different types of credit cards, the benefits they offer, and how to choose the right one for your needs. So stay with me as we navigate through this important information. As we reach the climax, it's time to dive deeper into the world of credit cards. Understanding the fine print is crucial. You see, not all credit cards are created equal. Some offer rewards while others have hidden fees. It's essential to compare options and read the terms carefully. Now that we've uncovered the complexities, let's resolve how to make the best choice. Always consider your spending habits and financial goals. Are you looking for cashback, travel rewards, or maybe a low interest rate? Matching the card to your needs can make all the difference. In conclusion, credit cards can be powerful tools when used wisely. Remember to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Keep an eye on your credit score and stay informed. By making smart choices, you can harness the benefits of credit cards and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, take care.